mind you, no state of India will be not non-digital state. और we'll not say that yes कोई ऐसा state है जो ऐसे era में रह रहा है जहाँ पे digital lockdown हो, क्योंकि ऐसा एक नहीं, आपके काफी states काफी regions में digital lockdowns है. Expected chores के साथ ये सारी चीजें नहीं कर सकते. So girls will not be told that you can't study because now it's just on a phone call she's able to study, or it's on a Zoom call she's able to study, or a Geo call. Similarly, a boy, if he's being forced that no, you have to go out and have to get the child labor done, or you are more than 14, and in our country by the way 14 years is the minimal age जब तक आप child labor नहीं कर सकते हो. All inclusive बनाने से पहले हमें ये सोचना पड़ेगा कि सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम आएगा डिजिटल एक्सेस का. ये सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम आएगा, and we must be mentally prepared for it. Being promised because of this policy, each child is going to get included in this policy. Every child being youth personnel, चाहे वो child labor कर रहा है चाहे वो नहीं कर रहा है, you will be invested in your training, health and education. So your training, health and education is supposed to be invested on by the government. तो health का मतलब क्या हुआ? Your facilities are supposed to be provided on campus. Education का क्या मतलब हुआ? That when they say that they are investing in your education, you are not supposed to pay them. If, in my opinion, when you give vocational education to students, majorly people from the marginalized societies, they take the vocational training more in comparison to privileged people like you or me. For the simple reason, they know कि vocational courses कर इन लोगों को universities जाने नहीं मिलेगा. The privileged background knows it really well कि यहाँ पर अगर आप कोई vocational course करते हो तो आपको universities में admissions नहीं मिलते उसके basis पे बाहर, तो वो कभी choose ही नहीं करते इसे. So when they talk about the National Education Technology Forum, this is not one of the foremost points in their policy. So dig deeper, and they also know कि उनके ऊपर ये वाला question आएगा कि आपने underprivileged community के लिए क्या किया. आने वाले time में they said that you have to live with these kind of viruses, and आने वाले time में और भी आने वाले हैं, वो भी पहले से predict हो गया because permafrost was gonna get melted because humans were really good with global warming. Everything notorious, we are very good at it. ठीक है. So looking at these scenarios, ये policy बहुत apt है. अगर आप इसको ध्यान से देखो तो बहुत apt है.